What a spectacular stadium and what a breathtaking view of a portion of Tura right over there. We are right now at a Tura track and field stadium named after the greatest Garo freedom fighter, Togan Nengminza Sangma. This has been inaugurated just a day earlier, and this is the place, the venue where all the athletic events of the 5th Meghalaya Games is going to take place from Monday. This Togan Nengminza Athletic Stadium in Tura, the one and only in Garo Hills, will not only be hosting the athletic events of the 5th Meghalaya Games that is taking place from Monday, but this is going to be a stadium where future generations of sportspersons of Garo Hills will be nurtured, trained and given a chance, an opportunity to go beyond. We could see the next Usain Bolt of Garo Hills perhaps coming out from here. Tura has never had an athletic stadium of this kind ever before. Earlier, young budding sportspersons of the Garo Hills would compete in their respective districts, in schools, in colleges, wherever there was a field. Today, we have the Togan Nengminza Athletic Stadium, where they will be trained, a variety. And this is a stadium that has come up, in such a short span of time, record time you would say rather, to prove that, this government is very keen to promote sports in a very big way. And we believe that with the creation, the setting up of this stadium, many young and enthusiastic children, teenagers will be benefiting from the multitude of facilities at this stadium. And now, let's have an aerial view of the stadium.